Welcome back. If you're in search of the best shaver for 2025, you've come to the right place. Whether it's for a clean shave, precision trimming, or tackling those hard-to-reach areas, these shavers have you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 10 best shavers of 2025, ranked from number 10 to number 1. Don't forget to check the affiliate links in the description to grab your favorite shaver and support our channel. Let's dive right in. At number 10, we have the Panasonic ER-CKN1 multi-shape modular personal care system. This isn't just a shaver, it's a multi-purpose grooming tool designed for those who value versatility. The modular system allows you to swap out attachments for different grooming needs, from beard trimming to haircuts and even nose hair trimming. Its ergonomic design and long battery life make it perfect for at-home or on-the-go grooming. Whether you're maintaining a beard or achieving a clean shave, the Panasonic Multi-Shape is your all-in-one solution. Its durability and high-quality attachments set it apart, making it a great investment for your grooming arsenal. Coming in at number 9 is the Wahl Lifeproof Foil Shaver. Built for durability, this shaver is shockproof, waterproof, and made to withstand the rigors of daily use. Its dual foil shaving head ensures a smooth and irritation-free shave, even on sensitive skin. The lithium-ion battery delivers up to 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Plus, its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to maneuver around tricky spots. One of its standout features is its fast charging capability, which provides a quick shave in just a few minutes of charge time. The Wahl Lifeproof is the go-to option for those who want a combination of rugged durability and consistent performance. Its ability to handle both wet and dry shaving adds to its versatility, and many users appreciate its long-lasting build quality that stands up to tough grooming sessions. At number 8, we have the Remington F5 F5800. This affordable yet powerful shaver features pivot and flex technology, allowing the shaving head to adapt to the contours of your face for a close and comfortable shave. The built-in intercept shaving technology pre-trims longer hairs, reducing the need for multiple passes. With its cordless and corded usage options, the F5 offers ultimate flexibility. It's also easy to clean with a washable head. This shaver's durable build and solid performance make it an excellent option for those looking to balance quality and affordability. The Remington F5 is a trusted choice for anyone who wants a reliable, no-frills shaver that delivers results. Its ability to cut through coarse hair efficiently has earned it a loyal following, and the pivoting head ensures that you can reach even difficult areas with ease. Coming in at number 7 is the Philips Shaver 5000 series. Known for its Skin IQ technology, this shaver adapts to your hair density, ensuring an even shave with minimal effort. The Comfort Glide rings reduce friction, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Its 5D pivot and flex heads move effortlessly to follow your facial contours. This shaver is also fully washable, making maintenance a breeze. One notable feature is its turbo mode, which boosts power for dense or stubborn hair areas, ensuring a smooth finish every time. Whether you're shaving dry or wet with gel or foam, the Philips 5000 series delivers a smooth and comfortable experience that's hard to beat. Its compact design and long battery life make it ideal for frequent travelers who need a reliable grooming tool. At number 6, we've got the Remington Balder Pro Head Shaver. Designed specifically for head shaving, this shaver features 5 rotary blades for maximum coverage and efficiency. The multi-directional cutting system ensures a close and even shave every time, while its ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand for easy control. With a 50-minute cordless runtime, you can achieve a clean-shaven look without interruptions. Additionally, the Balder Pro's water-resistant design allows for both wet and dry shaving, catering to your preference. The Remington Balder Pro is highly regarded for its efficiency and user-friendly features, particularly for those maintaining a bald style. Its compact design and powerful rotary blades make it one of the best head shavers available today. Breaking into the top 5 is the Panasonic ER-CKN1 electric shaver. This high-performance shaver features 5 ultra-sharp nanotech blades and a powerful motor that delivers 14,000 cuts per minute. The flexible pivoting head glides smoothly over your skin, ensuring a close and irritation-free shave. Its advanced sensor technology adjusts the power based on beard density, making it ideal for thick and coarse hair. With wet and dry functionality and an automatic cleaning station, the ER-CKN1 combines convenience and precision like no other. The sleek design and premium build quality make this shaver a standout choice for those who demand the best. At number 4, we have the Braun Series 3 ProSkin 3040s. This shaver is designed for efficiency and comfort, featuring 3 pressure-sensitive shaving elements that adapt to your facial contours. The microcomb technology captures more hair with every stroke, reducing shaving time and effort. It's 100% waterproof, allowing you to shave in the shower or rinse it under running water for easy cleaning. With up to 45 minutes of cordless runtime, the Braun Series 3 ProSkin is perfect for busy mornings or quick touch-ups. Its robust build and consistent performance make it a favorite among users who want hassle-free grooming. Taking the third spot is the OneBlade hybrid electric trimmer and shaver. This unique grooming tool is a hybrid between a shaver and a trimmer, offering unmatched versatility. The dual-sided blade allows you to edge, trim, and shave with precision, making it ideal for maintaining facial hairstyles. Its replaceable blade lasts up to 4 months, ensuring consistent performance. Additionally, the OneBlade is water-resistant, so you can use it with shaving cream or in the shower. Whether you're going for a clean shave or shaping your beard, the OneBlade delivers excellent results without irritation. Its lightweight design and rechargeable battery make it a convenient choice for anyone looking to simplify their grooming routine. At number 2 is the Philips Norelco S9000 Prestige. This premium shaver is all about luxury and performance. Its nanotech precision blades deliver the closest shave possible, while the Beard Adapt sensor adjusts power based on hair density for a personalized experience. The wireless charging pad adds a touch of convenience, and the shaver is fully waterproof for wet and dry use. The ergonomic design ensures maximum comfort during use, and the metal finish gives it a sophisticated look. For those who demand the best, this shaver is a clear standout. And finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus. This shaver sets the gold standard for electric grooming, boasting 5 synchronized shaving elements that capture more hair in a single stroke than any other shaver on the market. Its advanced AutoSense technology adjusts power automatically based on the density of your beard, ensuring an efficient and comfortable shave every time. The 10D Flex head adapts to every contour of your face, while the titanium-coated trimmer handles even the toughest hairs with ease. With a 60-minute cordless runtime, wireless charging, and an automatic cleaning and charging station, the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus redefines convenience and performance. Having tested it personally, I can confidently say the shaver makes grooming effortless and even enjoyable. Its unparalleled precision, luxury feel, and innovative design solidify its place as the ultimate grooming tool of 2025. And there you have it, my personal roundup of the top 10 best shavers of 2025. Each of these tools has been rigorously tested to ensure they meet the highest standards for performance, comfort, and reliability. Whether you're looking for a shaver that offers versatility, precision, or all-out luxury, there's an option on this list perfectly suited to your needs. From budget-friendly picks like the Remington F5 to premium marvels like the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus, there's truly something here for everyone. Grooming is personal, and finding the right shaver can make a world of difference in your daily routine. I hope my insights and experiences with these products help you make an informed choice. Don't forget to check out the affiliate links in the description to grab your favorite shaver and support our channel. It's a win-win. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more honest reviews and expert grooming tips. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let me know which shaver caught your eye, or if you've already tried one of these and have your own story to share. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay sharp and keep grooming.